There it goes. Hey everyone, welcome to PressTube. In this video I'm gonna put this giant slime ball with roughly 150 squishies in my vacuum chamber, which is over here. But before I put in the slime, let's put in Jade. Hi Jade, welcome in the workshop. This is Jade, she made this for me. It's a collaboration between her channel and my channel. Her channel is called JustJade, and I will provide some links in the description below to her English and her Flemish channel where she made this slime. Be sure to check out her video because I think that will be very good also. Now, before I put it in, I'm gonna play a little bit with the slime so you can hear the satisfying sounds it makes when you play with it. Now, I'm gonna be quiet a little bit and then I'm gonna play with the slime. Here we go. As you can hear, this makes a very satisfying sound. Now, enough playing with this slime, let's put it in the vacuum chamber. Enjoy the video, guys. Okay guys, the vacuum chamber is installed. I have my vacuum pump over here. Now, let's drop in this giant slime ball. Let's wait a little bit till it drops out from itself. Hopefully. No, it doesn't. Let's help it a bit. There it goes. Now let's push that to the bottom a bit. Let's put on the lid and turn on the pump. Here's the lid. Connect the vacuum hose and turn on the pump, which is over here. Okay, so as you can see, it almost reached to the top of the vacuum chamber. I will now show you a top view of the vacuum chamber. And you can see it filled up the complete vacuum chamber over here. It's very foamy also. I'll show you a close-up here. You see? You can also see the squishies inside of there. They're almost completely gone. And now let's see what happens if I let in the air again in the vacuum chamber. This is the back view. You see? Now let's turn off the vacuum pump and see what happens if I let in the air again in the chamber. I will put the camera back on the tripod and then I'm gonna turn off the vacuum pump. Like this. Now let's turn off the vacuum pump now and see what happens if we let in the air back in the vacuum chamber. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Well, you don't see a lot of difference from this side, but if I take off the lid from the vacuum chamber, let's do that. And then I will show you the inside, and then you can see that the slime has dropped completely to the bottom of the vacuum chamber. It looks very messy also. Let's see if I can take it off. Yeah, that comes off quite good. So, there you have it. Slime with squishies in a vacuum chamber look pretty satisfying, I think. Now, I have a question for you guys. Do you think I should put this slime in my shredder also, which is over here? It's still a bit messy, as you can see, from the Tide Pods that I just shredded yesterday, and I didn't clean it yet. So yeah, do you want to see the slime in the shredder or not? Let me know in the comments below, guys. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.